Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a 4 horsepower Mercury 2-stroke. It's just been rebuilt. New piston rings, new head gasket, base gasket, carb gasket, new spark plug, gearbox oil, fuel line, fuel filter. And that's about it really. Some of the paintwork's peeling off, but it doesn't look too bad. Quite clean inside, a little bit oily, but yeah. We'll get in the water and get it fired up. Alright, so we got the Mercury in the water now. Turn the fuel on, undo the air vent, neutral, choke out. Yeah. See if she'll fire up. First pull, hopefully. Alright, so we got the Mercury running now. Started first pull with choke, turn choke off, second pull. Pumping good water. Thanks for watching the video, guys. My review of Mercury 4 horsepower 2-stroke. Please check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.